How do you know which zone to choose? Let me break it down for you very simply. First things, how do we find our zone where we have a high, we have a nice breaker structure above that high? We want to look at the areas responsible. You can see we had a high to low here and a high to low here, and then we broke structure. This first high to low is our demand zone 1. This second high to low is our demand zone 2. So now, which one do we choose? Do we choose a bounce from demand zone 1 or do we choose a bounce from demand zone 2? Well, you see, that depends on two things. The first thing is liquidity and the second thing is mitigation. Let's focus on this first demand zone. Can we see price broke it, retraced all the way beyond 50% of it and moved up? All the demand zone orders here have been filled and there is no liquidity to sweep. There's no reason for price to return to here. If it does, it's likely going to take out this low and get a change of character. But what about demand zone 2? We can see demand zone 2 is completely fresh, price has not retraced into it, and we have liquidity resting just above it. This is why I can ignore the last demand zone, focus purely on this one, expect a tap in, higher high. Beautiful, there's a tap, there's the higher high, this is what I love to see. If you took the lower zone, that's a B setup. If you took the higher zone, that's an A plus setup. And I've explained the worst setups from the best setups in my free setups rating guide. Just comment the word guide and I'll send it over to you.